So I'm back with some blueberry pop slime, and today I'm just gonna like play with it until it's fluffy. So I got some shaving cream here, Barbasol Thick and Rich Shaving Cream Original. So yeah, just gonna put a little. I don't know where it went. Well, you can probably see it on the bottom right there. And I'm just gonna like... Hey guys, so you guys haven't really seen my face that much. Yes, you have. Sorry. So I'm just gonna like mix the shaving cream in until it's fluffy. And then I might be coming out with a new video when I get my package. So yeah, of slime stuff, if you are wondering about what package. And just to tell you guys, if you put too much shaving cream, like 2 days later, it'll just become regular slime. It won't be fluffy anymore. As you can see, it's stretchy. Last night I put some lotion in it. So, yeah. And when I get my package, I'll be making a couple more slimes for people if they want. Maybe not for those people, because I don't know you guys very much or very well. And I'll give some slimes out and I'll videotape it because some people really want slime. Yeah. Just gonna keep kneading it. Sorry, I had to do a couple separate videos, but I'm still mixing in. I added a little more shaving cream when the camera was off, so sorry about that. And yeah. And I might get my package today later, so I might post another video or just a random video of my cousins playing around and stuff like that. Or I'll just do another vlog. So I'm ending the video here. So thank you, and like and subscribe. Comment down below what slime I should make, because I'm getting a lot of slime stuff, so like glitter, glue, contact solution, and I think I'm getting more shaving cream, and I think I'm getting fishbowl beads, so I might make some fishbowl slime if I do get the fishbowl beads. But I'm definitely going to add some glitter in the slimes I make. So bye, like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.